We heard from at least 3 layers of the US government speak through last evening and last night. But we're getting more updates now coming in. Dubai authorities are warning social media influencers and residents not to film, record or share videos related to certain incidents, particularly those involving security-sensitive incidents like the explosions that have taken place. They are saying firing, which is anti-aircraft fire, missile interceptions or related smoke and fire from recent regional escalations should not be recorded and posted online. TikTok violations can lead to strict legal action, including deportation for expatriates, fines and other penalties. Of course, I want to go across in our newsroom to our colleague also who will get us a little bit more on this because, you know, this is obviously always a tricky issue as far as all governments is concerned. When a lot of information is flowing, possibly not all verified, but it leads to a whole narrative being built online against countries and what is happening. My colleague Greha is also joining us here with us. Greha, what more are you learning?
Hi Shivani. So we've just played out that reaction and this is what Dubai is suggesting, UAE particularly. Any kind of social media post, video, because people are so used to in this day and age of social media, they are so used to documenting everything that they are saying. What they are suggesting is that the use of word firing is being misused. What they are doing is any kind of fire that they probably are witnessing, they are using that word and that is being misrepresented on social media.
As if it is active fire.
Yeah, so they're talking about anti-aircraft firing or probably some interceptions. All of that has been put under this branch of firing, which is what they do not want. And they are saying that this is going to lead to severe penalties. It could also lead to deportation of the expatriate, for that matter, also heavy fines that they are talking about. All of this because it's the first ever attack that Dubai has seen. It has a huge number of the diaspora there and they want to ensure that no kind of heft is given to all of the aggressors, and that is why they're ensuring that there is fair amount of capping on any kind of social media that is readily being put out as far as these videos are concerned. In fact, this is one post that I also like to put out on camera. This has also been public prosecution says completely here that any person who shares or reports content from unknown sources shall be subject to legal accountability. So they're taking it very, very seriously. Yeah. They don't want any kind of negative impact after these attacks really have taken place.
There have been some reactions, thank you Greha, you know, online as well of those who live in Dubai plus other some of the more prosperous Gulf countries and cities, is that there is a lot of panic being spread because of some of the social media commentary versus what they may be witnessing on ground. So yes, certainly some of the drones and missiles have landed. The success rate can be anywhere between 90 to 95% or maybe a little bit higher as well. But even when a couple of things drop, then it creates a lot of hysteria. But a lot of residents who are still there saying yes, they can hear a lot of sounds, yes, a lot is going on, but they don't, it's not as if everything is falling and everything is being destroyed or the lives are in much, much danger. Let's also get you some more breaking updates now coming in.